everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge, and this is the Ultimate Christmas DIY Decor. It's hosted by Design by To The Nines. I will leave the link to her channel and to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge as usual in the description box. Please visit the hostess channel. I have no words. Absolutely have no words to describe her and her channel. It's one of the best. But go and check it by yourself. And please watch all the videos in the playlist. I'm going to make a Christmas sign or piece of decor. It's not a sign, it's a piece of decor. And I'm going to use mostly things from the Dollar Tree. I had this sign, and I decided I'm inspired in an image I saw a long time ago on Google Images, and I'm trying to recreate something similar. I painted this backside in gray first. I mixed these two colors, and then I gave it 2 coats of gray. Then I made the lines with to mimic the wood with a pencil, and then with my finger I just try to make these lines softer, and then I dry brushed the whole sign with a darker gray, always using the same colors, and a little bit of white. Next steps, I have this piece of wood that it was from a sign that is intended to be used in your garden, and I don't have a garden, so I used the sign and I ended up with this piece of wood. I cut this in 2 parts to fit this area. I'm going to place one here and the other one here. And you can see that I am adding a star. I bought it on Amazon. It was black, you can see it here. And I dry brush it in white. And I tied it here. I think it needs a shorter tail. I'm going to cut a little bit of the tails, much better. And I'm going to glue this piece here and this piece here. Then I have this crate from Dollar Tree. They are very common. This was longer or wider, I don't know. The depth was like this. These pieces were from here and from here. So I removed these pieces. There's another 3rd piece, like in this side. It was exactly in this side. And I cut it because I needed something not so deep. So this is going to be here. And I'm going to add, I will add these pieces last. I'm not good using the saw, the hand saw. I don't have an electrical one, but it doesn't matter, it doesn't look bad, so it's going to work. So I'm adding hot glue, and I'm eyeballing to place it in the center, like so. Now I'm going to add this piece. I need another stick. here we go. And I think this is enough. So here it is. Now I'm going to decorate the inside, the interior of the crate. I got 2 pieces of this floral foam from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place them here because I'm going to add these branches, these pieces of greenery that I had around. Here is another one for the other side. Like so. And then I'm going to add a candle from Dollar Tree. This was much taller. This is how it was. I'm not going to light it. Well, I can't place it again as it was, but you can see that this was the real size. And again, I cut it to the size I needed. And I'm going to place it here. Just pushing a little bit, like so. And I want this to be firmly inserted there. And maybe, let me see. I'm going to rotate this a little bit. And that's it. And now I'm going to add these 2 little things, greenery, pieces of greenery, here and here. As always, I'm not gluing these things because I like to change the core periodically, so maybe next year I will want to do something different with this. So I am just placing them. This is going to be hung, it's not going to be moved, so no problem with that. Now I can add the star. Just to go this way. And I'm going to add the hot glue. In the meantime, let me remind you that it would be great if you could subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And give me a thumb up if you, in the end, like this creation. I would really appreciate it, because it helps me to grow my channel and be able to go on making these DIYs that I love so much. Okay, here we go. And that's it. And the last thing I'm going to do, as you can see, this is really easy. What takes a little bit of more time is painting everything, but after, other than that, it's really easy, simple, and I think it looks really good. So now I'm going to add this on the front of the crate, to the front of the crate, as the last detail, to give it even a more Christmassy feeling, like so. And we are almost done. So this is the final product, the final project, and I'm going to hang it, and I'm going to show you how it looks. I have to add some twine here and there to be able to hang this, and I will show you how it looks. Hope you like it. I hope you will visit the channel of the hostess and the videos in the playlist. And again, please subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumb up. Thank you so much for watching, for your sweet comments, for helping me to grow my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you will visit me and watch my next video. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.